The villagers of Mawiong village along with the village elders today gathered at the office of Sub-Divisional Officer PWD Nongpoh Division expressed their opposition on the condition of the road being damaged by the contractor on the playground development at Paham Berthem village. Led by the headman Matthias Maring, village leaders and accompanied by the villagers met the SDO of PWD Nongpoh Division. Maring informed the media that the gathering had a positive outcome as the SDO has assured the villagers that they will renovate the portion of the damaged road.
Puan ngelawan sang negapes ngene kendur yau SDO yang PWD Nongpoh bat UGI ngele kren merdor kat baik pebak ha kene kesi bat nak yang jong ka department PWD SDO lokular man pen bah merdor ya kene surok kini kiji bang ngelamat ha